He does like my eyelashes. Hey to everybody, huh? You should subscribe to my mommy's channel so she can keep getting me lots of treats. Hey everybody, it's Susie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I know everybody says it takes a couple years to really get a lot of subscribers on YouTube, but I don't have a lot of years. I'll be 62 next month and I can't wait. So please subscribe, ring the notification bell. Today we're going to test out this Mystic palette by NYX, and it's mostly purples and pinks. It's really, really pretty for springtime. So I don't usually wear a lot of shadow because my eyes are so small, but I'm going to try this. I'm just for something different. So this is my second time filming this actually, because I realized after the first time that I had my shirt on backwards and inside out. So, you know, that's just the way it goes. Let's get started. I have my foundation on. I have bronzer on. I'm just going to try this on my lids and see how it goes. So here it is again. And I'm going to start with the lightest color on the center of my lids. Let's just start with this. This is about $11. You can get it in the drugstore, and you can pretty much get it anywhere. Walmart, Target, you know the drill. Okay, let's start with that color. Right on the, just on the inside corner of the lids. Actually, I'm going to add another light color, this one. I need to try to make it light. Actually, these are coming up a lot lighter on camera than they really are, but I need to keep a light color on my lid because my eyes are so small and so deep set that if I don't, they just kind of sink right in. So there we go, just kind of a wash of color. And then I'm going to take this color again. They don't have names. I'm just going to take that and kind of put it all over, just really, really light. That will make things pop a little. Okay. And then with a crease brush, I am going to take a darker color, and I think I'm going to use this one, which is kind of a cool color. It's kind of a red, a reddish purple. And I'll put it right above the crease. And up a little, in and up. So in my last video, I asked you one makeup item you can't live without. And this one, I'm asking, what is the one makeup item that you think is overrated? Wow, that's really bright. To me, it would probably be primer. I do use primer, but I don't know if it really makes a difference. Now on top of that, I'm going to take this purple, which is a little bit deeper, and kind of put it in the corners and blend it up. Okay, let me be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing. Because like I said, I don't usually wear this. Like this makes me feel like, I don't know, kind of, I don't know, my eyes are so small that I just don't like all this color on them. But let's try it, what the hell. I'm going to take this pink, this really bright pink, and I'm going to put that sort of in the corners. Kind of brighten that up. And let me blend it a little more because I feel like it's not very blended. So there we have it so far. I think I'm going to do that deep purple again and mix it with the red. And I'm going to put that in the crease again. See, I don't really have much lid space, so it ends up just looking like a big mess to me. It's really weird to me. Under eye, I'm going to take, again, this dark and the light, and I'm going to mix them together, put that underneath. Right underneath, and just try to mostly like on the outer corner, like there, and up. I need a better brush for this. Let me try. This is more of a pencil brush. My little schnauzer. I don't know about this. I mean, I feel like it makes me look like I have somebody punch me in the eyes. Okay, then we're going to use Pixie Endless eyeliner in deep purple. This is pretty. And I'm going to put that in my waterline. Underneath, because I like to try to, I know people say don't put eyeliner on your waterline underneath because it makes your eyes smaller, but my eyes are so small already that I kind of need them to stand out. And I'm going to dot it down here a little bit. And then we're going to do it on the top as well. Pretty purple. Dark purple. And then I'm going to bring that line up, just up again. Not like a wing. Okay. That's a lot of eyeshadow for me. I guess something different. That's what it's all about, right? Just try something different. You don't have to love it. Just try it. Don't like it? Guess what? You can wash it off. Okay, I'm going to do my lashes off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I put these lashes on. These are the ones I tried on yesterday, the magnetic ones. I'll post that video here. They're a little hard to get on, but I've tried it 3 times now and I'm not like very good at putting lashes on. And it's getting easier, but they're super long. Like they need to be cut and they need to be trimmed and they're kind of heavy. Like I feel like I'm wearing like sandbags on my eyes. But I miss my lashes so much, so I just thought I'd throw these on. I also kind of cleaned up the shadow because I felt like it was too much, so I took some off and this is the final look. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. If you subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much. See you soon.